Yeah, so hello everyone. So welcome to this tutorial with Wizard. In our previous lesson, we learned to do something like this: generate a logo using the generate image tool AI tool in Wizard. So now let's look at the other option. Let's say a 3D file. So we want to generate a 3D file. So I'm going to click on reset, and let's say I want something like a let's say music notes. Then click on generate. So wait for it to generate. So as it's loading, I'm going to pause this. Okay, so it's done. And then let's look at the options that we have here. Okay, so you can see it's generated some 3D notes. I think I'll go for this one. Okay, so this one, and then to make it standalone. Okay, yes, we don't want the background, so we want to remove the notes from the background. As usual, go to export, scroll down, go to export. Then I can drag, or if it's you can go to your folder and then upload it into this program. So drop it here. Okay, so it's taking everything else. Then I'll download it. Then I can take it back to Wizard. So basically, this is an easier way. If it's downloaded into a folder, it's certainly downloaded into a folder. So you can go into your folder and then just drag it into your environment. But there's going to be an issue. Usually, when you do that for the first time, this what it will be static. So if you are in a hurry, you can just go to images since whatever you drag inside is saved. So I can drag this one here. Okay. You can see here we have our 3D file. So basically that's it for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.